Welcome to the video. Today, I'll show you how to create a project that includes both medium and low voltage components. We will start in Power Core. To begin, click Add Project and enter a name. Let's call this project DOCweb Videos. Once you've added the project, you'll see it listed here. To create a DOCweb project, just click Create. This takes you to the web page, where you'll see the first window. Here you can choose the layout for your drawing, either free layout or columns layout. There are other templates as well, but today I'll use the free layout and start with medium and low voltage equipment. Click on it to move to the next window, which is the settings. Here you can choose the standards for short circuit calculation and cable sizing. For medium voltage, I'll set the short circuit current to 15 kiloamperes. For the other parameters, I'll leave them as they are. Now we're on the page where we'll draw the single line diagram. At the top, you'll see some buttons. And on the left column, you'll find common components used for both medium and low voltage devices. For medium voltage, there are also pre-configured solutions. You'll find generic switchgears and all the switchgears in the portfolio. You can also choose loose components. For low voltage, you'll see all the different components and available macros. Let's start with medium voltage and look at the switchgear. In our portfolio, you can see we have SF6 free and SF6 technology devices, as well as loose devices. Let's look at the SF6 options. We have the Unisec, which offers different devices. I'll choose Unisec and set both the incoming and outgoing to be the same. Let's use the SBC. Click, drag, and drop it for both incoming and outgoing. Join them together. Now both devices are installed. To connect the medium voltage to the utility, just click on the circle and link it to the utility. That's it, you're done. To connect from medium voltage to low voltage, you'll need a transformer. Find the transformer under Common, then click and drag it into place. When you select the transformer, its parameters will appear in the right column. Today, I'll set the transformer to 1000 kVA. After the transformer, I'll add a cable, followed by a circuit breaker. For low voltage, I'll add a circuit breaker and then a load. This load is just for running the simulation. You'll see its parameters in the right column, and I'll set it to 1000. The cable is currently set to 3 meters. Let's change it to 10 meters. Instead of a multi-core cable, I'll use a single-core cable. For medium voltage, you can see the parameters in the right column. I'll change the relay protection from the 601 to the 615 series for both outgoing and incoming. For the incoming, I'll also set it to the 615 series. Now the drawing is complete, so let's run the simulation. Click the calculator icon to start the simulation and compute the project. Everything looks good and is marked green, which means the project is finished. With just a few clicks to add components, we've completed the project. That's all I wanted to share today. Join us for future videos, where we'll explore more features and expand this project further. You'll see how easy it is to complete a full project quickly. Thank you very much.